I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. Hey, today I'm back again with another product review, and I'm reviewing the Turtle Beach Recon 50X headphones. These specific ones I have is for Xbox, but they do come for the PC and the PlayStation. So, but my particular system is an Xbox, so I'm reviewing the Xbox. Basically, here's the box. This is what it looks like. These are real nice Turtle Beach headphones. This is basically entry level headphones, but they are Turtle Beaches. So you know anything that Turtle Beach makes is top of the line. As you can see right here, made by Turtle Beach, officially lightweight over ear design. High quality 40mm speakers, so you're definitely very clear. Removable microphone right here. I'm going to show you once I open that up, and it has volume control and the mic mute, so you're able to mute yourself out. And as you can see, it is compatible with Xbox, PS4, PC, Mac, and mobile. So you got everything you need right here, and it is a 3.5mm jack. So let's open this thing up to see what we got. Hey you guys, inside the box we have the instruction manual right here. So it's in all different languages, English, Spanish, so everything you need to see right inside this manual here. Also a little, warning label. I guess they're talking about, don't have your headphones up too loud to mess with your hearing, but you can scan and also get Turtle Beach support. And they give you a little sticker right here to put on your headset on the box, whatever you want to do. Here's the actual headphone right here. As you can see, first off, here's your mic right here. It comes with the mic inside here. There's your mic. Let me put these on the side. There's your mic right there. That's going to screw right into the headset itself. Next, we actually have the actual headset right here. So we'll take this out. Bring this out right here. Nice headset. I've got some previous Turtle Beach headset. Turtle Beach is always my go-to. Turtle Beach always have nice products. And as you can see right here, we've got the headset right here. So let me hold on a second. Here's the headset right here. As you can see, real made. Turtle Beach has got the green padding right here. Headphones have nice cushion in it, deep cushion well right inside the headset. Nice for Turtle Beach. These flip around. Like you see, it says R for right and then left right here. And here's what we say. This is where your mic goes, and it has a little line up here. Listen to this, and it clips right in. Then your mic goes right there. You can move this around to any angle you want. Here's your 3.5mm jack right here. Also, if you notice on the controls right here, you have your volume button right here, and then you have your mic. You can mute your mic from here, and then turn it on from there, right from the controls there. So let's put these things on and see how they look on my head. As you can see, I now have the headphones plugged into my Xbox jack. Right there, right on the front, goes right on the front of your Xbox controller. As you can see, they fit real nicely on my ears right now. They're real snug. I mean, it's like soundproof almost. I really can't hear too much. And these things fit real solid onto your ears. And you see how, you notice how the headband kind of bends up a little bit. I kind of like that. I kind of like this. Then also you have the mic here. You can bend this any type of way you want the mic, and as I stated before, right here you have your controls right on the end of the arm here. So let's see how they sound real quick, but I'll get back with you, and then I'll give you my final review.
Hear the coin. Give me some time.
What's that noise? Remember, think slow, act fast.
We always hide the body.
You've been paying attention. Follow me. Keep your head down.
I hate horses.
Don't come to me. I'm just standing here.
Still got plenty left.
Okay. Don't you... You kick me, I'm gonna shoot you in the ass.
One fake coin coming up. Sure, let's go. Glad I picked up these. Still got plenty left.
You hear that?
One fake coin coming up.
There's something.
Still got plenty left. Not right yet. Glad I picked up these.
Christ, I hate horses. You hear that?
One fake coin coming up. Give me some time. Still got plenty left.
You hear that?
That's right. Just stand there and eat. She wants to kick me, I know it.
Oh shit, I missed
One
it.
fake coin coming up.
Come on, let's switch places.
Y'all got our jobs to do, Sal.
What?
Hey, Pa.
Yeah,
How many men does Frank have?
doesn't matter, boy. One-on-one, you always got a chance. You just gotta thin out the pack. Locked. No surprise there. All right, son. Time for a challenge. See that ladder up there? I need you to throw it down for me.
Is it time? Glad I picked up these. Still got plenty left. Eyes open, Johnny.
Good job. That's my boy.
It was easy.
Keep your head down. There's more of them.
Tight as a bowstring.
You gotta find a way to sneak through.
So you guys, these headsets are definitely quality, nice sound. Turtle Beach is always my go-to, so you'll always see me getting some Turtle Beach headset. These are good quality. You know, they run about $25, $30 depending on where you get them. So if you're looking for some real nice, affordable headsets that you can hear all around, all angles, your left side, your right side. So if you playing Warzone, Fortnite, whatever you want to play, you're going to have that extra edge of buying these headsets. So definitely, I'm going to have the link below. If you enjoyed this review and you want to pick up you a pair of these Turtle Beach headphones, definitely click the link below. And I'm going to see you guys next time.